Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Erica and you are at the Lopsided Crafter. Grab yourself something to drink, sit back for a spell, and let's talk about all of our yarny goodness and creations. Hi guys, and welcome. For those of you that do know, we're off to a fantastic start as usual. For those of you that do not know me, my name is Erica. I am the knit designer, crochet designer, indie yarn dyer, and blogger behind the Lopsided Crafter. Today we are doing our giveaway winner for the newest book by Kristen Omdahl. So if you guys had a chance to watch the previous video and did what you needed to do to get in on this giveaway, we're getting ready to draw that winner right now. So, alrighty, so I have the link to the previous video right here in the random comment picker. And we are going to see just who our winner is. I'm going to get our YouTube comments, maybe, because for some reason it doesn't like the video. It said I didn't enter the right video URL. Now, come on, I have been doing this for a while. I'll be right back. Okay. Finally. All right. So we got it in there. And we're going to hit start. And I know one person does not like, well, Kristen Omdahl cannot be the winner of her own giveaway. And then I know that there is one other person that commented that does not like to participate in giveaways. So let's try this again. Pick another winner. Susan Fortner. Congratulations. It says, I love Kristen. My favorite design is the sweet Clara top crochet pattern. Thank you for the review of her new book. So, Susan, if you will get a hold of me on Instagram, the Lopsided Crafter, just message me over there. Give me your email address and all that good, your name, email address. I will forward that to Kristen Omdahl, and you will be getting your ebook in the email. Ebook in the email. Congratulations, and thank you everybody for watching and for participating. And until next time, happy crocheting. Bye.